Hi and welcome back. In this part, we're going to create the interaction flow of the testimonial section of our landing page. So let's get started by duplicating our phone frame 3 times. Hold Command C and Command V and then Command V again. So what we are going to do basically is to connect those 3 screens and make the navigation to each screen using those 3 circle buttons. So first, let's change our content. Let's hold Command, select the avatar, and then Command and select the second avatar. Then let's go to Content Tree to change those images. So select Image, Avatar, and Apply All. Next, let's go to Text and select our testimonial text, Command Shift, and select also the second testimonial text. Let's go to Lorem Ipsum short. Okay, all right. Next, because this is the same text, I'm going to remove some text from here. All right. Next, let's change the name. Give it like Jane Doe and Amelie Fishing. Okay, and for the company, Google, Facebook. All right, and make sure the name of avatar is different from each block. Ellipse 5, here ellipse 6, and that looks great. Now let's go to our prototype section, and first, okay, let's remove this row of this. Now the first thing we're gonna do is let's select this second circle and let's move this plus to the next frame, and let's say on click navigate to iPhone 14 2 and move in to the left, and make sure this smart animate matching layers is activated. Again, let's do it for the third screen. Click, go to the third screen, the same settings. All right, now let's go here and let's change this activated button color. Let's change it to muted text, and the second one will be our activated button in this box, light text color. Next, for the third one, let's mute this and let's put this to activate. All right, now let's select this third button of the second box and we're gonna connect it to the last box. Let's go to prototype and select, click and move, and also the same, move in to the left, smart animate iPhone 14 free, on click. Now let's go to this and we're going to connect this to the first screen. Let's click, drag, and here we're going to tell him to go to the right, and again smart animate activated. Also for this, let's go to the first screen, again to the right, and second one to the second screen and to the right. Now let's go and see how that is working for our, okay, let's scroll down and see if we click. All right, move left, move right. That's great. Now let's go and do the same process for our desktop section. Hold Command C and Command V to duplicate first time, and Command V duplicate third time. Now let's go and select Command and select our first ellipse. Let's go to Design tab and let's copy the fill image, then select the second one in my desktop, paste the fill, rename it to ellipse 5. Again for the third block, copy the fill, Command C, then hold Control and select the third of my desktop image, remove the first one, and let's rename it ellipse 6. All right, now let's copy our text. Command C, Command C. Now let's change this to H3, and here let's move it down, and here we said its name is Jane Doe, and the company is Facebook. For the third and last block, copy, paste H3, and let's copy this. All right, and for the company it's Google. Now let's connect all that. Okay, prototype, and let's go. But first let's change the activated button. So the first one will be muted. The second one will be light text. Again in here, muted and light text for the third one. Now let's go to prototype and let's select the second button. Let's click and drag, and here let's set it to move to the left. On click, navigate to desktop 2, move to the left, and smart animate matching layers is activated. Next, let's move it to the third frame. Move to desktop 3, on click, navigate to desktop 3, move in to the left, smart animate matching layer. Make sure it is move in. Okay, and let's add the same thing to this. Click and drag to the last screen. On click, navigate to desktop 3, move in to the left and smart animate. Now we'll do the same. Let's move in to the right. Click and drag to the first one. Move in to the right with a smart animate. And for those two first screen, move in to the right. And for this, to the second screen, move in to the right. Now it looks great. Now let's go and test our flow. All right, let's scroll down and see if we click. Yeah, it works great. All right, that was everything for this part. Thanks, and I will see you next.